have Shelly Awasthi, who has won several awards for the institution. to a few points.
Finally, Shruti, the day has arrived to put an end to our eager waiting and the tireless preparations.
Of course, we are here to celebrate the 32nd Founders Day of Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, and I, on behalf of the management, staff and students of our school, welcome you all to this grand celebration, which is held every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sir Padampat Singhania ji, who was an eminent industrialist, a renowned educationist, and a great philanthropist.
In other words, he was a great visionary.
Siddharth, we feel honored to have such distinguished guests for this very special evening. We extend a warm welcome to you all.
I now invite on stage our school captains, Kanish Rai and Soumya Porwar, for the formal welcome.
The annual day is like a perfect culmination to an eventful year. Back in the year 1982, the foundation of our school was laid on the auspicious day of Ram Navami in the fond remembrance of Sir Padampat Singhania ji. And since then, we've been following the path laid down by our founders in pursuit of education. Dear audience, we are honored to have with us Padam Shri Giriraj Kishore ji as our chief guest for this very special evening. Shri Giriraj Kishore ji has been conferred with Padam Shri Award 2007 on 26 January for his notable work in literature, education. Shri Giriraj Kishore ji was the registrar at IIT Kanpur from December 1975 to November 1983. He was designated as head, Center for Creative Writing and Publication in the Institute. Sir, please accept a small token of gratitude from the young Singhanians. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a round of applause? Thank you, sir. We are also privileged to have amidst us Shri Anand Mishra Abhay, editor, Rashtra Dharm.
राष्ट्र धर्म का पहला अंक 31 अगस्त 1947 को रक्षाबंधन के दिन अटल जी के संपादन में प्रकाशित हुआ। इस अंक की अनेक विशेषताएं थी। प्रथम अंक में अटल जी की कविता जो संपूर्ण हिंदू चिंतन को स्पष्ट करती है और दीनदयाल जी का चिंतन परक लेख चिति प्रकाशित हुए। उन दिनों किसी भी हिंदी पत्रिका की प्रसार संख्या 500 से अधिक नहीं थी, जबकि राष्ट्र धर्म की 3000 प्रतियां प्रसारित हुई। हिंदी जगत में इतना भव्य स्वागत किसी भी पत्रिका का न हुआ। राष्ट्र धर्म अकेला ऐसा मासिक पत्र है जिसके 2 संपादकों को पद्म पुरस्कारों से महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी ने सम्मानित किया है। इससे उत्साहित होकर मकर संक्रांति के दिन 5 जन्य साप्ताहिक समाचार पत्र का प्रकाशन आरंभ हुआ। राष्ट्र धर्म का ये सौभाग्य रहा है कि इसे अटल जी जैसे कवि और राजनेता, बचनेश जी जैसे क्रांति कथाओं के लेखक, भानु प्रताप शुक्ला और रामशंकर अग्निहोत्री जी जैसे विचारकों का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त हुआ। वर्तमान में श्री आनंद मिश्र अभय जी इसका संपादन कर रहे हैं। वे ज्ञान के भंडार हैं। उनकी लेखनी में गजब का प्रभाव और ताकत है। श्री आनंद मिश्र अभय जी सेवानिवृत्त वरिष्ठ पीसीएस, उत्तर प्रदेश के साहित्य गौरव सम्मान आदि जैसे अनेकानेक सम्मानों से विभूषित किया जा चुका है।
We are so very honored to have you with us, sir. Please accept this small token of love from us Singhanians. Of Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, Shri Govind Hari Singhania ji. We heartily welcome you, sir. Please accept this token of gratitude from my fellow Singhanians. Thank you, sir.
It's also a proud privilege to have amongst us Mrs. Manorama Singhania ji. We warmly welcome you, ma'am. Please accept this small token of love from the young Singhanians. Thank you, ma'am.
We are elated to welcome the members of the Board and Managing Committee, principals of all schools, distinguished guests, the members of press and print media, grandparents, parents, and all our well-wishers. Soumya, I feel no event can commence without the blessings of the Almighty, as it is He who guides us all our way.
For this, I would like to invite the chief guest, Padma Shri Giriraj Kishore ji, guest of honor, Shri Anand Mishra Bheji, Chairman Sir, Shri Govind Hari Singhania ji, and Mrs. Manorama Singhania ji to light the lamp and inaugurate the program. I also request our principal sir to kindly accompany them to the stage.
Dear audience, the shloka recital that you will hear will be decided by our fellow Singhanians. Thank you all.
I now request our chairman sir to kindly shower his blessings on all of us. I also request our principal sir to kindly accompany him to the stage. Sir, we would be privileged to hear your encouraging and motivating words.
नीचे नहीं आनी चाहिए आप ऊपर रखो
Yes, Rikish. My dear students, parents, ladies and gentlemen, I feel very happy to welcome you all on 32nd Founders Day celebration of our institution. Today is the birthday of my respected father, Sir Padampat Singhania, in whose memory this education center has been established. He was internationally renowned as an industrial magnate, an enterprising educationist, and above all, a very noble soul. I extend a special welcome to our chief guest, Padma Shri Giriraj Kishore. Sri Giriraj Kishore is a man of literature and education. I also welcome our guest of honor, Shri Anand Mishra Abhay, editor, Rashtra Dharam. Education can play an effective role in developing a wholesome human personality capable of resisting injustice, violence, and oppression. We have evolved a system of education to help the children develop these qualities. Our education center has adopted 5 missions: to excel in academics, to excel in sports, to be innovative and creativity, to be well disciplined, and have a fully developed personality. All our activities are focused to achieve these missions. Every year the students are marching ahead to excel in their mission. Our school has won various awards and prizes during the year. I mention only a few important ones. The remaining may be in principal's report. Recipient of the Best School Award for furthering value centricity, future readiness, and excellence in STEM education at national level. Only school in Uttar Pradesh to have won the Green School Award amongst the top 5 schools of India and Sri Lanka. This was organized by Center of Science and Environment, New Delhi. First prize at the World Education Summit, New Delhi for the science project. Awarded the Global Teachers Accreditation 2013 for successfully completing the Action Research Project under the aegis of Connecting Classrooms by British Council. Recipient of Pearson Teaching Award for Innovative Teaching, and many more. In the school report, you will hear about many other achievements. And I feel happy that our teachers and students are working with great dedication and enthusiasm to achieve still greater heights in every field. I wish them all well and continuous success. God bless them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you is a school song which clearly states the ideals and objectives of education.
साहस धीरज के हम साथ, धर्म कर्म भी साथ हमारे, विद्या है उद्देश्य हमारा, पाएंगे हम मिलकर सारे।
हमारे
don't we give them a glimpse of our outstanding achievements? Ladies and gentlemen, now I invite on stage Nikita Pathak and Rajat Awasthi with the annual school report.
Thank you, Shruti.
Thank you, Siddharth.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, everybody.
Rajat, I have thought of a perfect line to describe a school, and here it goes. It's only in school you can learn what the world's going to be in future.
You are so correct. Indeed, the session 2012-2013 has been sprinkled with the brightest hues of achievements.
Are you talking about our success in academics?
Exactly. It gives me great pleasure to inform that the board results of March 2013 of class 10th as well as 12th have been astounding.
Yes, Rajat. In class 12, science stream, Hanish Dodani and Shobit Gupta topped with 95.8% marks. And in commerce stream, Shiksha Nathani topped by securing 93%.
Moreover, Nikita, the highest percentage secured in class 12 boards in English was 95%. And do you know that 30 students of class 12 secured the same? And here they are.
Rajat, tell them about the 99% scorers.
Of course. Aishwarya Chok secured 99% marks in biology. And Ghazal Naib also secured 99% in biotechnology.
In physics, 5 students secured 95% marks.
In chemistry, 2 students scored a high of 98% marks.
That's not all. 97% in mathematics was the highest, secured by 2 students. Also, the highest score in economics was 98%. Shiksha Nathani scored 99% in business studies, while Raghav Garodia secured 96% in accountancy.
In computer science, Rishika Agarwal scored 98% marks, while Nikhil Bhagat scored 98% in IP.
Devesh Pratap Singh secured 97% in Hindi.
Another wonderful news. This year, the top 0.1% merit certificate for outstanding performance in business studies was awarded to
Shiksha Nathani, am I right?
Absolutely.
Oh, that reminds me that Aishwarya Chok was also awarded the same for her excellent performance in biology by CBSE.
Moving on to the class 10th results, where 34 students scored a CGPA of 10. Here they are, the shining achievers of SPSEC. And that's not only where our academic endeavors end.
Exactly, Rajat. I feel happy to share that this session, Rishika Agarwal and Shobit Gupta cracked the prestigious IIT examination.
While Akriti Bakshi and Devika Mehan cleared various medical entrances. Also, Aditya Narayan Gupta secured the 17th rank in RMO. We would also like to share that with the incessant support of the parents, we have achieved milestones in our mission to spread education by being acknowledged on national and international levels.
We won the prestigious Green School Award after outbeating the top schools of India and Sri Lanka and got the 5th rank.
Our science project Kaleidoscope, devised by Mr. Manish Tiwari, HOD Bio and Biotech, won the first prize at the World Education Summit in New Delhi. We also received the Best School Award for Value Centricity by Engineering Watch magazine.
That's incredible.
There's more. Can you recount them to our guests?
Of course. HT Media Group recognized us for the Hindustan Pratibha Samman and the Best CBSE School Award in Kanpur. We have also been rated as A++ by the Education Expo Research and Branding Company in the field of imparting quality education. Our school bagged the first prize at Knowledge Resource Development and Welfare Group for one of our projects.
Mr. Manish Tiwari of our school received the Pearson Teaching Award for his valuable contributions to education by Mr. Kapil Sibbal.
The British Council has acknowledged one of our teachers, Mrs. Bhavna Gupta, for her action research in improving class concentration by distinguishing her with the Global Teacher Accreditation. And she's the only one with this honor in the entire state.
Another extraordinary feat, the British Council, through Connecting Classroom program, has awarded a grant to our school for teacher exchange, under which we have had a visit from Mr. Perry Linsley, the principal, and Miss Miriam Peake of Wakefield High School, UK. Mrs. Bhavna Gupta from our institution will be visiting their school to develop international collaboration.
Rajat, I hope you remember Tiyeka Fu Malta.
the Inter-School Cultural Fest, which was enthusiastically organized by our school, wherein 25 reputed schools of the city participated with the aim to promote the Maltese culture. And guess who graced the occasion?
The High Commissioner of Malta, Her Excellency Teresa Kutihar. She appreciated the effort of the school and the students wholeheartedly.
Our principal, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Chauhan, went under the Indian School Heads Delegation by Government of Malta at Albert de Bono Institute of Creative Studies, University of Malta.
Also, our school signed an MOU for students and teachers exchange program with the Convent of Sacred Heart Foundation, Senior Secondary School, Malta.
Amazing!
I would also like to share that our school is a part of the International Award for Young People, that is IAYP, fondly called the Duke of Edinburgh Award.
Indeed, a golden opportunity for all the students.
Our school was ranked 8th in the state level review conducted by the Digital Magazine. Also, our school is the city coordinator for JEE, CTET and NEET examinations. Our school is the only school in Kanpur which has legal studies as one of the options for the 6th subject.
Creative subjects like music, dance, art and craft are structured into our extensively calibrated syllabus. Moving on to the infrastructural developments of our school this year, the KG and the PG section was renovated as the foundation block on the latest trends to give a classy and happy ambience to the sections right from roots till class 2 and make learning fun for them. Oh, I want to study there all over again.
Grow up, Nikita. Anyways, do you know what's so special about the Panch Pallav at our school?
Of course. Panch Pallav is an experiment of ancient vegetation pattern known as Vedic Kalash, in which 5 trees revered by Hindus in Indian mythology are planted and utilized.
Our school is very privileged to have a sapling of the Sarnath tree in its campus.
Exactly. The sapling belongs to one of those rarest offshoots of the original Bodhi tree under which Gautam Buddha attained nirvana.
Besides academics, our enthusiastic students took part in several co-curricular activities of the city, state and national levels and won laurels.
IIT Kanpur organized Metals and Metallurgy quiz competition wherein our students Rajat Pandey and Abhishek Pradhan, both from class 12th D, stood first and won the winner's trophy.
And they also qualified for the prestigious national quiz competition held at Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu, where over 40 teams from all over India participated. Our students won the biodiversity